everyone, welcome back to Anya's Fun Channel, and today I have two special guests. They are labubu. Oh, it was the wrong direction. Awkward. Okay, which one should I open? Should I open the louder one or the one without, with not that much noise? I think this one sounds better. I'm gonna open it in 3, 2, 1. Ooh. I don't know which one I want, honestly. Okay. How do you open this thing? I'll be back once I figure out how to open this thing. Okay, I figured it out, and you just do this, right? I think that's correct. And then I open it. Ugh. Wow, so much stuff. I think this is the one I got. I'll be back once I finish setting this up. So I'm now back with the thing finished. See? It's nice, right? This is the labubu. We got the pink labubu. It's in the cart. And then this is the railway. It says here, the monsters. And right here, there's a thingy for some reason. And that's it for my part 1. If you're interested in labubu, please hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to check for more updates, because I will be making a part 2 for this. Goodbye.